Hi friend, this is Amit and here I am with the VIT placement detail, that is average placement maximum, that is highest package, average package, and placement percentage means out of 100 students how many got placed in a particular branch. As the counseling is going on and many students will watch this video in the counseling time also, and it will help you to choose the right branch in VIT, that is right branch and right campus also. And this video will answer your most important question, that is whether it is worth it to join or not with the branch that you are getting. So everything will be discussed here, all campus, all branch placement. So first of all, VIT AP, let me inform you, CSE average salary based on the current data. I have analyzed everything based on my research I am providing you, and lots of students I have guided in previous year. They are in college and many students have passed out. So by discussing with them also, I have found this data. So average 8 lakh per year, highest 63 lakh. That is all time highest is 63 lakh. And placement percentage means out of 100, 90% got placed. CSE space license 7.5 lakh per year, average highest 38 and placement percentage 88. Next EC 6 lakh per year, that is average package highest 31, placement percentage 82. Other than these three, have very low package, that is 4.5 lakh per year, highest 23 lakh, placement percentage only 70. So this was about the VIT AP campus placement detail. Now VIT Chennai salary means the placement information. Branch CSE 10 lakh, average package highest 1 crore, that is the all time highest, and placement percentage 100%. Once you join VIT Chennai CSE, there is no tension of placement. CSE specialization 9.2 lakh per year. There is the average package highest 76 lakh, placement percentage 96. Out of 100, 96 got placed. And those four, I don't think they don't get the placement. Many students don't sit for the placement for the higher studies or the for government job. EC 7.5 lakh, average highest 44, placement percentage 90. Other 55, 5.5 lakh, average highest 35, and the placement percentage 80. Now for VIT Bhopal, before that, let me inform, if you want the complete counseling guidance regarding this VIT counseling, you can contact me for complete counseling guidance. In the next section, you will able to check the detail of my guidance, because that will help you to find the best branch, best campus for you, whether you should join VIT or not, or you should look for other counseling. I will be guiding those things also once you register with my guidance.
Here I am going to provide you the information about my VIT complete counseling guidance one to one. I will be guiding you as I am the only person who is considering this exam, that is covering this exam from last 6-7 years. So one to one guidance will be provided on choice filling dedicated session. I will be taking with you one to one, and every student potential is different, every student's expectation is different, rank is different, so there should be a different choice filling for every student. There can't be a same choice filling. As also there is page wise counseling and there is a category wise you need to fill the branches. So it takes lots of time and it takes lots of expertise to do this counseling. So it is a unique type of counseling. There is lots of risk. If you do better counseling, you may get better category to save your parents money. If you do a mistake, you may get wrong branch or wrong campus, or you can get higher category, you will have to pay 1 or 2 lakh per year extra. So these all things will be avoided, and I will guide you in a best manner to that, so that you can get into the best possible branch and campus with best category to save your parents money. Sidewise you can check all the review of the student that I have guided from last year. Thank you.
So Bhopal 8 lakh, average highest 51 lakh, placement percentage 90. CSA space license 7 lakh, average highest 42, placement percentage 87. EC 6 lakh, 29 lakh and 80% is average highest and placement percentage. Other 4.5 lakh, 22 lakh and 70% is average highest and placement percentage respectively. Now the most important Vellore campus placement information. Here you can check CSE 13 lakh average package. Now if you talk about highest, 1 crore 2 lakh, that is all time highest, and placement percent 100 as per the expectation. CSC specialization upper branches, if you talk, that is AIML data science like this, 11 62 97, that is 11 lakh average salary, highest 62 lakh, placement percent 97. CSC specialization lower, 10 lakh average, highest 46, placement percentage 95. EC 9 lakh, that is average highest 42 lakh and placement percentage 93. Triple is 7 lakh, 36 lakh, 88% is average, highest and placement percentage. Other 6 lakh, 33 lakh and 80% is the average, highest and placement percentage. So VIT counseling is very unique counseling. Only one phase you will have the option, and you have to take it very carefully. Category wise option you need to fill. So for that I will guide you, or if you know everything you can do it, but do it carefully so that you will get the best out of your rank. Thank you.